During my last waterproof test, I packed a Ronin M camera gimbal inside a Nanuk 940 plastic case and threw it off a pier into the ocean to see what would happen. The test was wildly successful. The Nanuk case proved its utility by keeping my film equipment protected and dry. Today, I want to conduct a similar test on a different Nanuk product. Meet the Nanuk 920 case. This case is specifically designed to house DJI's Mavic Pro drone and its various accessories. The case is constructed with impact-resistant resin and plush foam padding. It's equipped with security latches that won't accidentally pop open when bumped, latches that can be swapped out for lockable ones if you desire enhanced security. And if you're a one-man band like me who has to carry his own gear, you can easily outfit this case with a shoulder strap and make life much easier for yourself. That's all fun and dandy, but the feature that really makes this case shine is its ability to keep your stuff dry. This case has a waterproof rating of IP67. This means that the Nanuk 920 case can be submerged in up to 1 meter of water for half an hour without experiencing any leakage. And this is precisely what I'm going to test today. Let's hop to it. Well, look at that jellyfish. That is gorgeous. But boy, do I not want to hit that thing when I jump in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. About 14 rungs. And the rungs are about 13, 14 inches apart. I'm back at the docks. Today I'm gonna do another waterproof case test. I'm gonna try and do it in one take so that nobody can say, oh, you cut it. I want this video to be as authentic as possible. Now, the last time I was here, the tide was quite a bit higher. You can see the platform that I jumped off last time is about 2.5 times taller. This means that it's quite shallow underneath, and I'm not trying to kill myself over these YouTube reviews. So instead of hucking off the dock today, off the top dock anyway, I'm gonna huck off the little dock. So let's hop to it. Okay, so here's the case. And inside, you see the drone and all of its parts are in it. We have the controller. We have some batteries. A bunch of miscellaneous things I don't really care about. And then my pride and joy, the Mavic Pro. It's in the case. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna seal the case, check all the seals, throw it in the sound, go retrieve it, and try and fly my drone to make sure that it still works. Let's go. Okay, the latches are closed. Let's just double check to make sure. Seal is good. All right. 1, 2. Better not sue. Woo, that is brisk. Moment of truth. Let's actually move the camera a little closer. Get us a better vantage point. And focus. Okay, from here, just like last time, we're gonna dry off my hands so I don't taint the sample. And we're also gonna dry off the case. You want to be very thorough drying off the case because you don't want any external water going inside. Otherwise, the test will be worthless. Okay. All right, moment of truth. Ta-da! I don't see any moisture. There are some droplets of water, but they are on the outside of the seal. At this point, I feel confident enough to get my drone wet with my hands. Let's turn that bad boy on. Oh, nice. We're gonna connect to the controller. It's a little too close for comfort. My hands are just getting everything wet. All right, let's try it. And take off. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I give to you another successful test. This case did its job. My drone is safe even though it went swimming. My job here is done.